Hey, it's Mark from supplyhouse.com, and in this video, we're gonna unbox this Aprilaire 1830 dehumidifier. So the good thing about these is they have these straps. So you just cut these straps off. And instead of picking up this sort of large unit out of a box, you can just take the box right off the top. So as you can see, it comes fully secured with these styrofoam edges. And in the back here are the two duct connectors for each side of the dehumidifier. Underneath the unit, we've got some mounting screws and we've got the manual. The cord, power cord here. Very easy to manage, very easy to get out of the box.